How to fix Discord crashed unexpectedly on 2023. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here we found all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this, and then go to storage option and click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget the last things is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you now.